This is a slew of stories that I think speak to the way DOGE is functioning, not just as a identifier of waste and fraud, but as a data consolidator in service of other elements of the administration's policy agenda, including a heavy crackdown on immigration. And what I think may be most disturbing is a kind of selective crackdown, including on people who are here legally, being targeted for essentially having political views and expressing political views of which the administration disapproves. And again, collecting all this data across all these sources makes it a lot easier to identify, hey, who are the people who are here on student visas, and also maybe participating in some way or supporting political causes the administration finds disfavorable. I will note there may be an escape, however. The Musk team is also building a system to sell gold card immigrant visas. This is a version of something the United States already does. If you invest hundreds of thousands of dollars in the U.S. economy, you can get a kind of expedited approval for a green card and eventually citizenship. Trump seems to want to just rebrand that and raise the cost of it, and essentially say, well, if you pay X million dollars, you can get a fast track to citizenship. One more story worth mentioning in this sort of broad pool of DOGE consolidating access to different data systems is that there's a whistleblower at the National Labor Relations Board who has a series of pretty disturbing allegations of how DOGE staff have been accessing that organization's sensitive databases, which include information about contract negotiations and unions that, of course, are heavily protected and would be of potential great value to, for example, employers that are trying to deal with unionization efforts or negotiating with unions, which include, of course, a lot of Elon Musk's friends. And what is particularly disturbing about this story is they really are effectively acting like you would expect, cyber criminals or hackers to ask.